Hey guys, this is how to delete your draft on your Picsart app, so let's get into it. First of all, you just need to open up your app, and here at the home page you have to simply click on the plus icon at the bottom mirror. So here you will find an option of all albums as a top. You just need to simply click on it. So here you will find an option of Picsart projects. Here you can see all of your draft projects. So now what you need to do, simply click on see all here, and these are projects are in my draft of Picsart. So now what you need to do, long press on any of the project that you want to delete and then simply click on delete projects. So you have to just repeat this process for all of your draft projects. And yes guys, this is how to delete your draft of your Picsart, and that's all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.